Hello, traders. This is Rich from tradesight. It's a look at our market-leading ETFs for the coming week. This is going to be from Monday, December 15th, 2014. Got some volume going today in the spiders and the diamonds. A fair amount of volume in the diamonds, which is always notable because this is the one that's kind of hands-off. It's a little bit more of a long-term proposition. So when you see big volume coming into the diamonds, that's usually players from the longer time, the larger time horizons, longer time frames. Do have enough contra candle to the upside in the Qs. The Nasdaq is relatively strong this week versus the broad market because it doesn't have the weight of the energy stocks as much. The IWM and the MDY also have an upside indication for the next session. The domestic sectors, I think the takeaway here is an absence of sell signals, even though we do have some weakness in a lot of the different spaces. XLE is actually showing an upside interest for Monday. Just keep an eye on that. That's the energy sector. XLY's got good volume. XHD, the builders, the basic materials has a contra candle to the upside, and the XRT has a volume bump and an upside CPS. As far as the commodities go, they're still in motion. We do have kind of a paired off situation here. USO is still getting good volume, but we don't have a signal either way. For that one, the XME does have a downside CPS. Bonds are very, very strong today. The TLT is up more than 1%, up above 47. This is going to be a new high close on the move. But we've got an RPS signal because it's come decently off of the day's high. So keep that in mind going into next week. The last time that we had prices at these levels, we did have a rejection and a move to the downside. Foreign stuff, got downside CPSs here. The EWU, which represents a broad-based European basket, that one has a pretty good volume. And finally, here's a look at our watch list with our bar counts on it. We got pretty deep last week into a lot of bar counts. We're starting to feel the effects of that with what's going on. We definitely had a few more pop up last week. So here's a look at what we're doing. I want to keep an eye on the startups as well to see if we're getting close to 9 days down and anything. We're not quite there yet, but could be getting there soon. So keep an eye on all this for the coming week, and make sure you're on top of your bar counts. All right, folks, as always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.